Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. So if you're tired of that daily grind, maybe going to that job that you hate, and you're looking for something that you can work from home and something that you can do without any investment, well, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can do it, how you can get it set up, how you can get it running and get it up quickly. Now, you are going to have to trade time for money. You're going to have to put the work into this. So if you do want to get some information on passive income, $200 or $300 consistently on a daily basis, well, then make sure you hit the link in the description below, because I'll give you my #1 recommended opportunity right here online. Every day I like to come out with great new videos for you, work from home, online jobs, how to make money, just how to have success online for you. So if you hit that subscribe button and then you hit the bell next to it, you're going to get notified of all the videos that I come out with to you, and that way you won't miss any of them. So let's jump right into this, how to make passive income online without investing, and we're going to do it right here in 2018. So right now in 2018, there's great opportunities for people online to start to create some passive income and use a couple different websites to do it, okay? And I'm going to walk you through how you're going to do this. There's going to be two of them, and I'm going to walk you through the first one. So we're going to go to Google, and you're going to type in Udemy. So Udemy, Udemy, okay? And there's going to be a website that comes up here. Now, what Udemy is a place where people create courses and they put them up online. Now, you have to create a course one time, and then you can put it up into the marketplace, and then Udemy is going to allow people to pay for that course. They can watch that course, go through it, and then Udemy is going to send you a check for the price of that course. And you can see right here, here's some of the top courses. So you can see people come here and they pay $13 to watch this course. And you're going to get paid a big percentage of this from Udemy. Now, Udemy is going to take a little cut because they obviously got to make some money with their website. They got to keep it up. But what's powerful about this is that once you create a course, then you can upload this to Udemy, and it's just going to sit right here forever. It's just going to sit in here. People are going to come here and watch it. You could create a course today, a year from now, people will still be watching that course, and you still be making money. Okay, that's passive income. That's income that's coming in whether you do anything or not. Now, create a course. You could create a course on anything. Okay, there's people that need help with anything. Now, this could be similar to maybe creating a course and put it on YouTube, but what happens is people come in here and they pay for it. They're more engaged. They're more excited about the course, and that way you can, obviously get money with the course, but you can also send links to maybe other affiliate offers. You could send maybe to another course that you charge more for. You could send people out there. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be creating students. Now, you're probably thinking to yourself, well, what am I going to even, what am I going to teach on? What do I know? I guarantee if I sat down with you right now, that there is a skill that you know that I don't know, that you could teach me how to do it, and I would pay you for that skill. Okay, there's just something out there that you know how to do that I don't, and I would love to pay you for that, and I would learn that skill. That's the power of what you can do right here online. I mean, years ago, before we had all this internet stuff, before we had all this Udemy, the only way you could really do this is if you had to do it in your local town. You had to maybe get a hotel room, and you had to get people to come to the hotel, and you could teach your product or teach your course, and then you could charge people for it. I mean, if look at universities, they've been around for a long time. Universities, colleges, all they do is sell courses. Okay, people come to the campuses and they sell courses. They've been doing it for a long time, but now you can do it as an individual. You can sell your courses. So Udemy's the place to come and do that. And all you have to do is you just sign up, and you become, you can, teach on Udemy. So if you go to Teach Udemy right here, you'll be able to sign up right here and create your course. Now, I do want to send you to another one. It's called Skillshare. Okay, Skillshare is going to be similar to Udemy, but what Skillshare does is it charges people by the minute to watch courses, and you're going to get paid based on the amount of time that people are going to be watching the course. So same thing, Skillshare. The one thing you got to really understand how powerful this is, one thing you understand is that this is something that you don't really know, you don't have to have a lot of technical skills with. You don't even have to really know how to do a whole lot. If you have a smartphone, you could create a course. You could put the smartphone and talk into it, upload it here. If you have a computer like this, you could create a screen capture of your computer. Now, if you go to a website called Camtasia, so if you just type in Camtasia, there's a website from TechSmith. What Camtasia is a screen recording software, okay? And so what you do is you can basically hit record and you can screen capture your screen on your computer, similar to what I'm doing right here, okay? So in fact, this is what, I use I have a Mac, but Screencaster or Camtasia is more for Windows machines. So I use ScreenFlow. Sorry, I couldn't think of it. ScreenFlow. So ScreenFlow and Camtasia, same thing, same software. They screen capture. That's what I do right here with my computer. But this is what you would do. You would screen capture your desktop. You could teach somebody how to do something. You could show somebody. If you have a camera like a smartphone, you could demonstrate something and you can upload that as a course. Okay, you could do this in a 10-part series or 5-part series, whatever you want to do. But just understand that once you create this course, right, and you put it online, it's on there forever. And people will be able to come to this community. It's a huge marketplace. They come here, they watch your course, they pay for it, and you get paid. Okay, it's a simple and it's the easiest way to get up and get running with a passive income without investing. You don't have to do any investment here. If you want to use a screen capture device, you could use Screencastify, which is another great one. It's a Chrome plugin, okay? But there's no investment here. You upload the course, and if somebody buys your course, then they're going to Udemy is going to pay for that. So there's no investment on your part, and you can earn passive income. Okay, so just go to these two sites, Udemy, and go to Skillshare, create a video, a course, think about what you're going to do, upload it, and you're good to go. Now, you're not limited to just one. You could create thousands of courses if you want. The more you create, the more that's in the marketplace, the more money you're going to be making. Okay, so once you create these, you're good to go. I mean, you can create these for the next 3 months and then forget about it. Go do something else. And these will be in the marketplace, making you money every day consistently, and then the money's going to be coming in. Now, if you do want to get some information on my #1 recommended opportunity right now, a little bit of $200 or $300 consistently coming into you, make sure you hit that link in the description below. If you like this video, click on the like button. Also, share it with your friends. Comment below. Let me know how I can help you and your success online. This is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you on the next one.